Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this GMC Terrain key fob. You're going to need one of these 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon for just a few dollars. I've put a link in the description that will take you straight there. I'm also going to be using a large flat tip screwdriver. This is mandatory, but it is helpful. So first thing you want to do is find this button right here, push that in, and pull out your mechanical key. Now you can use your mechanical key to pry off this back half, but I think a large screwdriver is just a whole lot easier. So just place it right in there. Just give it a twist just like that. You can separate the two halves there. And then again, I'm going to use the screwdriver to just pry up that old 2032 battery. The new one's going to go in positive side facing downward. And then squeeze these two halves back together. Replace your mechanical key. And you're all set. Back in business. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.